So Request from Bafo is up next. More from soLi. Song is from their 2020 debut album, Quiet Waltz. Studio recording. Let's get into this one then. We'll have to see. If I don't enjoy any of these, then it's probably just me being too fucking tired. That's a cool image right there. I like that. Oh, wow. They got everything, how these things mixed together, how the guitar parts and the violin parts mixed together and like kind of mingle with each other and then take their own paths and come back and they line up exactly. It's just freaking amazing, dude. I love it. Wow, that was pretty amazing. What a great blend. Like, it's just a great blend of sound. I do love a violin, man. They're so um, expressive, you know. Baffo says, feels like a dance in the warm rain. Sure, I can see that. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Really, really cool. I love when they would have like little counter melodies and separate and then come back in unison and just match up perfectly. Is really, really beautiful. Beautiful.